Hi there, students. I had a question from Akshirt, alias 40, about what's the difference between it must come tomorrow, it must be coming tomorrow, and it must be going to come tomorrow. So he also asked, do these all talk about the future? Well, let me look at these three phrases. I think it must come tomorrow. This, if you said it to me, I would interpret it as it is essential that it come tomorrow. Yeah, I really need it. It really must come tomorrow. If it doesn't come tomorrow, I'm going to have a problem. This is using must, meaning obligation. Okay, it must be coming tomorrow. This I would interpret differently. This I would interpret as the must talking about a logical deduction. Based on the evidence I can see, this is what I think is going to happen tomorrow. So my packet didn't arrive today. It must be coming tomorrow. Yeah? So as it hasn't come today, the logical conclusion is that it must be coming tomorrow. And this is a future, but I'm speculating about the future. Or I'm saying I'm certain that as it wasn't today, it's going to happen tomorrow. The delivery said either today or tomorrow. It hasn't come today, so it must be coming tomorrow. And then it must be going to come tomorrow. Again, is the same with this certainty or speculation about a certainty in the future. Yeah, it didn't come today, so it must be going to come tomorrow. I think maybe the difference between it must be coming, we have present simple here talking about a future that is fixed and organized. Yeah, it must be going to come tomorrow. I think this is more planned but not as fixed. Okay, now the next question, can we use it must come tomorrow with this idea of logical certainty? Well, the thing I'm not very happy about with that is the word tomorrow. It must come on Tuesdays. Yeah, today is Monday and it hasn't come today, so, well, it must come on Tuesdays. Yeah, this is saying, well, I must have got it wrong. I'm certain I got it wrong. And this is a logical conclusion, but about habitual acts. But it must come tomorrow. I need it to come. It's essential that it comes. It must be coming tomorrow. I would not use this with this sense of obligation, and it must be going to come tomorrow. I wouldn't use with this sense of obligation. So it must come tomorrow. I need it. It must be coming tomorrow. It's a logical certainty. It must be going to come tomorrow. Again, a logical certainty, maybe ever so slightly weaker in certainty than it must be coming tomorrow. Okay, so the uses of must. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Must be coming, must be going to come. Must.